Hi, Johnny. Hi, I can hear you.
Long time no see.
Long time no see. Thank you,
Yeah.
Johnny. Before you enter the room,
You can see my face.
I'm not seeing your face right now. Yeah, please turn on your camera, please.
Wait.
Yeah.
This is
Don't worry.
Jen.
Wait, yeah,
I
this is
show
Jen.
you my.
I got a
I
new
show you-
haircut.
Wait. I just show you maybe my video. Okay, video I turn.
Turn
Okay.
on. Oh, great. I can see you now. Hello, Johnny. Also, so good to see you again.
You again. So 1 month passed, I see you again, right?
Thank you. Well, Johnny, would you like, just like the old track, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and your new products or anything you want to update? Because I know you have participated in our event for several times, many times. So give us a surprise.
Okay. Actually, now we last time we just see each other in the 26th Guangzhou International Lighting Exhibition. So we show our new, and also we have a new design, and we have the amazing booth, and actually we get some some feedback and from our customer, also the audience just have they see us. We have the neon strip, we have the chasing RGB, also we have the RGB street and so on. And now we just come back to our company in the showroom now. So I would like to share you more about us. Yes. So shall I just need to introduce our company again?
Sure. Before you start your introduction, I want to comment. Just a quick comments. Good job on your on your exhibition show on the 26th GILE. Good job. I can see that you have some feedback and quotation or some orders following up after the exhibition. That's really good and happy for you. Okay, that's a quick comment. Thank you. Please come on.
We start with our the simple briefing about our company, right? Hello, Jay?
Yeah. Hi, I'm here. Yeah.
So I just give start from some very beginning. We just start from our company again, right?
Yes.
So our company name is Shenzhen Electronic Shenzhen GreeThink Electronic Corporation Limited. So we start our company our company was founded in 2011. We step now we come to our 10 years company history. From very beginning to now, we always focus on LED lighting field. Our main product, including LED strip, like neon strip, like the flexo LED strip, also I like the liner LED strip, also the LED rigid bar. Our product is widely used in home decoration, commercial lighting, landscape lighting for outdoor, including the swimming pool lighting, also for the building design. Just as far as you see now in the city for the lighting show, lighting show in the buildings, building to building, connect with the just like show. Actually, the show is for lighting. Lighting is used for the LED strip. Also connect with the controller. We use the 5G technology to connect to building to make a big show. So this is relationship is related with our product. This is for what we use. So now we already go to the now we already go to the stock market. Now we're already become a public company. So now in the 10 years, these first 10 years, we already have some the foundation. So now we would like to share, and also we would like to grow up with our customers, and now we would like to becoming more and more professional, and we would like to be more, close to our customer, and we would like to have more new friends. That's all. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Thank you. So, very good introduction of your company, and it's 10 years. And are you going to have a 10 years anniversary or celebration of your company establishment this year?
Oh, already. Actually, already.
Already had that. Good for you.
Already founded in February 22.
Yeah,
anyway,
that's great.
We would like to do for
yeah, sure.
maybe in next year 11. I think for the 11th there will be also very good number. 1.
Yeah,
Another.
1.
yeah.
Okay. Any product you want to show us in the next session?
Okay, in the next section, because time is limited.
Thank you.
Okay. So now we stop. Maybe I turn the video direction, or much better, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, friends, our product area. The first section, so you see, is the big area. This area is for the LD strip area, because now our company we manufacture for LD strip by ourselves, including the LD deals. So means LDs. So we have the 5050, 2835, and 3528. Different size of LD packaging. This is the one. So you can see we have the so we can have the customized service, including different color. As you can see, this red color, blue color, green color. For the purple, just like the UV. For the amber, for the also different also have the warm white, like cool white, and also we have the ice blue. It's very special. The color also we have. This is another green, but different from this green color. So, generally speaking, this is the customized for the different customized service on the FPC. As you can see, our PCB board, the color we have the white color. Also, we have the yellow color. Also, we have the for the black color PCB. Also, different size of the width of the PCB. Also, the thickness. This is our service because we have R&D team. We are not only just doing the simple the SMT, something like that, but also we are devoting in the technology in the LD packaging. This for one. The second customized service is for the different IP rating, the waterproof level. As you can see, we have the IP20 non-waterproof. Also, we have the PU group copy IP65 like this. Also, we have the underground used for the water tank. In the water tank, we can put this IP6A for the underground water swimming pool, as I mentioned just now. This for one. This is this area of our strip is simple. So we now step into the second section of the neon strip. This is a neon strip. As you can see, the different color is different. Like you can see, this LD is visible. For this one, is invisible LD strip, because the housing of is neon strip. Neon strip means that we put out the LD strip as lighting source inside this neon. This is the silicon neon casing. Silicon. For the lighting of this one is very first advantage is it looks more smoothly. Second, the waterproof level is very good, very nice. it is IP67. The neon strip, this product we widely use now is very useful for the construction in for landscape lighting, also for the building lighting, for the billboard in the advertisement area is very useful. Also, we have different color like red, blue color. Also, we have the we can doing the like the excuse me, you can see this the color changing for the chasing. Also, it can be widely used for this neon strip for the outdoor use. Yeah, so you can see the area. In the third section, we come to it for the CLB area. For the CLB now, we have the these colors for RGB. We also the CLB. We also have the warm color for CLB. Compare with the symbol, you can see this CLB looks very smoothly. You cannot even see the LEDs. So one by one, like 50, like this one, you can see. So that's all for the strip. So I just stop for a while. Okay. Yeah.
Wow. Wow, Johnny.
Yeah.
I was touched, and it gave me such a great impression on those color changing LED strip. For example, the invisible, lighting strip. I would just invisible.
Yeah.
Lighting is meant to be visible. You're doing the neon one. So
the neon is I think in the last time in 1 month ago we see each other in the lighting fair.
Yeah,
National Lighting Fair. I just show you because because time is too limited. So today I would like to take this chance and just would like to introduce more. Yeah. Also, you can see just near strip. We have also we have a different shade there because now for near strip is useful because just like as you can see just now this near strip actually this just like this because we put the LED strip inside the neon, inside. So we can see different shape. Also, now we have the big one like this. You can see it's the huge one. Yeah. Then we put the LED inside this one. We put in the wall in the just like the like the ladder in the building is big one. It will be lighting is very great. So we can be prediction now in the new year like this. No matter for the in our country in demonstrate market, also in the overseas market. So we see the near strip. We plus the RGB plus the tracing RGB. It will just like a hot pot. It's like a hot pot. We like to introduce this kind of product to our friends, so we can hope we can do something together. So that's our the key point. I mean,
yeah, I see that the key point or the today's highlights of your product is this one.
Highlight. Yeah. Also, actually, now just I like to take the just the short time. Also we have the another section is also we also doing besides the L strip, we are also have our another series that is our LD rigid board is that one is we call it the flexible LD strip. This kind we call it for the LD rigid bar or LD light bar. It also is widely used also for the cabinet lighting in the because now in the counter in the commercial lighting, including in the shopping mall, also in your home, also in the cabinet lighting, also in the hotel, in the also in the shelf, in the cabinet, they use the lighting because now for the lighting strip, it is not only used for the just like a light because it's connect with the controller. Also, we adding the motion sensor just like we add this like just the sensor. We plug into the controller. We connect to line source. It means that it is combination. It's a solution for the lighting. I think for the hotel, also for the home, even for the sexual area, some area that
indoor situation. Yes.
Yeah, and then this is the different shape. You can see we have the smaller one like this one, just like this one. Also, we have the big one, like this. It is also we have the magnet lighting. We can step, just use the magnetic, just touch and also, connect to the wall where there is for the metal, right? So it's just like the solution also we can see widely used for is the big one. Also you use in the for the wall, for the shape lighting. Also even for this one is in the stair lighting now is very hot. Also stair lighting means this is the casing. Also when you plug in stair, it will just work tracing the lighting area just like this. When you was move on the lighting, because we have sensor, we have a controller,
moving sensor,
step by step, step by step, step by step. Like this is another area. So I think so much about it. So I really hope you can get some useful information and know more.
I'm sure that the next time we will see more products or interesting ideas or creations from chuangxiang again. I'll be expecting you.
Thank you. We GreeThink always. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Johnny. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Due to the time limits,
thank you, Jane.
Yeah, maybe next time. See you, Jane. Johnny, thank you. Bye. Have a good day.